Hello everyone, I've got a washing machine and dishwasher to look at today. These are from John Lewis, the famous department store, and they're suitable for anyone as long as you're over 3 years of age. I think I qualify. So let's have a look. We'll have a look at the dishwasher first. As you can see, it's very compact, extremely light. You could even take the dishwasher away with you on holiday if you wish. But you can use it wherever you want to use it. At your home, on the beach, at the spa. Pop it in your backpack. Take it on a trip. It's fantastic. It's small. It's a lovely sort of aqua blue colour. Very unusual for a kitchen appliance. And you see how slimline it is? That will fit under any worktop. Any worktop, I would say. There's not many worktops that are as slim as that. Most worktops are at least double that, so plenty of room at the back for all your pipes and hoses, etc. So let's have a look inside this dishwasher. Open the door and we've got some wrapped up goodies. Of course, full instructions. So inside this basket there's plenty of crockery items. Well, we've got lovely bright colours there. We've got teal blue, almost matches the dishwasher, a lime green, 2 plates there, or are they saucers? I'm not sure. Those certainly look like bowls. You could use those for soup or salad. And then inside, we'll pop that one back, that lower drawer, and inside this one we have some more items that will need a good wash, I assume. Whoops, a daisy, I've opened it the wrong way. Never mind. They're pretty robust, they haven't broken. A couple of lovely mugs there for a cup of tea or coffee. Here is the cutlery basket. That's quite handy because on the compact dishwasher I've shown you in the past, there was no cutlery basket, which was a bit of a shame. So we have, again, 2 spoons, all matching, fantastic, 2 forks, and also 2 knives. So we've got a nice large capacity. I think we'll load the dishwasher. They're both the same, the baskets. So we could put the mugs, I normally put mugs on the top rack. Can we fit, I don't know if we can fit the plates on the top rack. No, we'll just put the mugs there for now and see how much we can fit in the lower basket. We'll certainly put the plates in anyway. 2 plates. We can fit 1 bowl, or I'm going to put 2 plates, 1 bowl on the cutlery basket. That normally goes on the bottom of a dishwasher. Whoops a daisy. Now you must put them handle side down, unless it's a sharp knife, and in that instance I would put a sharp knife pointing downwards, because there has been reports of some quite nasty accidents where people have fallen on their dishwashers and the sharp knife has been pointed upwards. So anything sharp, these are okay, this is regular cutlery, it can go upwards, but sharp knives down. And if it's a long sharp knife, bread knife or something, you can pop it in the top basket. Right, we've got nearly everything in there. We've still got a leftover bowl, so with any luck we should be able to put it there. There's room for everything, a room for everything, and everything in its place. I think we need to power this particular dishwasher, which involves putting some batteries in, and this takes 3 AA, I believe it's AA batteries. I think it is. We need to get an adult to help us. Undo the screw here and we'll put the batteries in. So we undo the screw, that should be enough. Open up the compartment. Oh, this takes 2 AA batteries. I've got some here. Make sure they go in the correct way. That's it. And then to keep the batteries safely inside, we'll just do up the screw again. And now we're ready to use this new John Lewis dishwasher. This John Lewis dishwasher has 3 washing stages and an automatic program. If you want to just wash your dishes, you can press this button. This button selects rinse only, and this button selects a dry only program. If you want to go through the sequence automatically, simply press auto and the machine will wash, rinse and dry automatically, and of course tell you when it's finished. Once we've loaded the dishwasher correctly and put in some detergent, we need to turn the machine on using this button here. We can now select the program we want. I'm going to show you each individual program and then finally select auto. So when you select wash, this happens. Now that everything is nice and clean, we need to rinse off the sudsy water. So we'll press the rinse button and the on button. The dishes are nice and clean and rinsed, but we need to dry them before putting them back in the cupboard. So for that we press the dry button and then the on-off button. But of course not everybody's got the time to be around to select the various programs. So this fantastic dishwasher from John Lewis will do all those programs automatically, one after another. What an age we live in. All we have to do, apart from loading the machine, putting the detergent in, we just have to now press the auto button, press start, and then the machine will run through all 3 cycles automatically. So there you have it, a complete wash load done automatically. Before unloading, press the on-off button. Then we can open the dishwasher door and then of course pull out the racks and take all the crockery and cutlery out and put them away. Absolutely marvellous. It's such a boon for the modern housewife. Now we've washed all the dishes, we've got some dirty clothes to wash, so let's get the washing machine and see how that performs. And here is the washing machine. This time it's styled in an off-white / grey colour scheme. The same slim dimensions as the dishwasher. They will sit side by side very happily. And we have a touch of colour with the teal blue accent worktop and the teal blue trim on the control panel. Like the dishwasher, we need to power the washing machine using AA batteries. So we need to undo the battery compartment. I think because the washing machine uses more electricity, we're going to have to put in 3 batteries. So we'll open up the battery compartment again. Yes, 3 AA batteries. Make sure the batteries go in the correct way. I'm using a different brand of batteries that I used in the washing machine. It's best to use the same brand though. Don't mix the brands and make sure they're all fully charged. There we go. So that's the 3 batteries. And then of course we need to pop the panel back on and screw it in place. And now we're ready to do some washing. This John Lewis washing machine has a large porthole so it's easy to load and unload, and a huge capacity ready to deal with all the family's wash. So we can open the door using this catch here, And then, as you can see inside, plenty of room for your wash load. And these special baffles really helped the detergent to penetrate the fibres of your clothing or bedding or towels, getting them really, really clean. So that's the large capacity drum, and you can hear a solid click when we close the door. John Lewis have simplified the control panel so it's easy for anyone to use. Before we select the program, we need to put the detergent in this drawer here. It just opens like so. Put in your liquid or powder detergent and then close the drawer. Just like the dishwasher, you can select individual programs, or by pressing this button, the machine will wash, rinse and spin fully automatically. This knob on the end is purely for decorative purposes. Don't try and turn it. First of all, we need to switch on the washing machine using this button here, and then press the option you want. This option will just fill the machine with water. This one will do a wash and rinse. And of course this one will spin dry the clothes. So again, I'll show you each program individually, and then we'll select the automatic feature. Now that the washing machine has filled with water, we need to select the separate wash and rinse program. Again, press the on button and then select this button here. Now we're washed and rinsed, we need to spin dry the load by pressing this button here. So again, switch on and press the spin dry button. So there you go, that's the full family wash done. But if you want to set and forget, all we have to do is turn the machine on and press the automatic button at this end here, and then we can go away and get on with our day while the machine washes, rinses and spin dries. That's just about the end of my video on the John Lewis dishwasher and automatic washing machine. I think you'll agree that either or both of these will make an ideal addition to your home, saving you hours of drudgery a week. No more washing up by hand or hand washing your clothes with these two fabulous machines. So to end the video, I'll select the automatic program on both, and I'll say goodbye and thanks for watching.